In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of properly logging in and out of your VisiNet mobile data terminal client. Now, to start off with, let's go ahead and double click on the client found on the left side of our screen here. And as you do that, you'll notice that it actually opens two windows. It's important to make sure that both windows remain open. I'm going to show you what the window in the background tells us by clicking on it here down in the taskbar. This is basically an update window. It can provide updates throughout your shift in the background while you are already working. So leave this window open, don't ever close it. Just simply click on the main mobile data terminal screen and keep it in the foreground. And you can tell that we're connected to the CAD system by looking at this green bar up along the right side of the buttons. That tells us that we have successfully made a connection to the 911 CAD dispatch center. That's important because if it's red, none of our transmissions or status changes are going to go through. So now we need to log in. And as you can see, we're presented with a login form. What we need to do is log in as a unit ID and a vehicle ID, and these will always match. So in this case, I'm going to log in as Rescue 2, and it's already selected for me, so I don't need to change anything. Now let's go to our crew members section. This form requires at least one person to be selected in order to successfully log in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first name I see there and type in the first few letters of the person I want to select. In this case, it's going to be me. So I'm going to type in H-A-Y. And that brings me right to my name. And now I can easily select it and move it over to the right side of the screen under the selected box. Now all I need to do is click either the login button on the bottom of the form or the login button on the top of the form. And as you can see, I've successfully logged in and I'm still connected to my 911 center as indicated by the green bar in the upper right hand corner. Now I'd like to show you the proper way to log out. It's important not to use the logout menu found in the upper left hand corner of the screen. If you log out using this menu item, it will take your apparatus or ambulance out of service and off the 911 dispatcher screen and make it not available for further calls. So please don't use the logout command found under the login logout menu. What you want to do is simply click on the X in the upper right hand corner of your screen. This will present you with an alert that asks you whether you want to log out without CAD confirmation. And all you need to do is select yes. This effectively leaves the unit in service and on the 911 dispatcher screen, but has logged you off as an individual.